Hi, I want to welcome you to the class Business 370 online. And my name is Muhammad El-Taha. I'm going to be the instructor for this class. And as you know, this is a 7-week class. But really, what you should know is this the course material is a regular 1 semester course, which is 15 weeks. Packed into a 7-week class. So it's going to be a very intense course. And I welcome you and go over the material, the rules for this class. So when you log into Blackboard for the first time, and this will be available on October, the course starts on October 28th, but the Blackboard site will become available to you on October 21st. You're going to see this page here. This is where I put announcements every now and then. And so where you want to go is to start here, where you have all the introductory information about the class. So you're going to see here my information. I have my phone, my web page, my email, and I want to make sure that we go over a few pieces of the syllabus here. If you look at the syllabus, you have my information, my office hours. That's where I can answer the phone for you. If you call me or if you send an email, I can give you a quick response or set up an appointment. The the textbook for the class is you need to have the book, and most importantly is the access code. The access code gives you also access to an online copy of the book, but for an additional really $10 you can get the hard copy of the book. So it's worthwhile having the hard copy. Also make sure that on your computer you have Excel and other Excel add-ins that you're going to download, and I have all the material available on Blackboard here, so you can download this material, even though it's available in other places like on the course website. The course, the first 2 chapters are introductory chapters. I just want to make sure you be familiar with, but the real material for the course is really the decision analysis, forecasting, queuing, linear programming, which is covered in 4 chapters, and project scheduling. Your homework will consist of understanding the material very well, so you need to study the material and do the homework, which has 2 pieces to it, online and the discussion board. So the online, you want to need to do that on Cengage now. For the discussion group, there will be five group discussion board sessions, and we'll create groups of 4 to 5 students during the first week of classes, and you will be working together on these questions and posting your responses to Blackboard discussion groups. To do that, we are going to make sure that you connect to Adobe Connect. It's a discussion group facilitator session. It's like Google Drive, but you can talk to each other, you can meet, you can exchange ideas, and share information. Okay, so for the assessment, Cengage Now homework will be 40% of your grade. This discussion group participation, group effort would be 20%. Midterm would be 20%, and the final exam would be 20%. These are policies you can read. Let me go back. There's additional information here. Please read this Adobe Connect setup, and you need to join Adobe. Set yourself up with Adobe Connect so you can you'll be ready to start your group homework. The second piece of this is going to be the weekly material here. and you can see here the learning objectives, the course schedule, which lists week by week. This lists October 28 to November 3 all the essential tasks for each second week, third week, fourth week, and so on. So please go over this material so you know what your tasks are for each week. I want to go over a few things in week one. So during week one, these are the weekly tasks you have to do, and things like read chapter one, make sure you review prerequisites for the class, make sure you're familiar with Excel. You should read chapter 4, decision analysis, which is the first topic of this class. Introduce yourself to classmates, make sure you study the class notes and the PowerPoints and the video. Set up your Cengage Now account. This is very important to do it as soon as possible because that's where you do your homework. And should start with the homework and make sure you set up your Adobe Connect account. This is needed for group assignments, and you have the instructions and start here for this. This is the introductions, this material, introductory material. These are the lecture notes, the PowerPoints, and the video on using TreePlan, which is a software to solve decision analysis problems. This is your enrollment information, which is available also on a separate button on Blackboard. I'll go over it there. And begin working on decision analysis group assignments. So you're going to start from week one working on these group assignments. So for this one here on course enrollment, let me go there because it's also available on here online assignments. Separate button here where that's the website, that's the course key. You need this, and you need your Cengage Now access code to sign up. And once you do that, you click on this, and once you have this information, you create your new account and you log in, and that will take you to ultimately to Cengage Now. This is where you have your homework assignments. So basically, when you click in, you have decision analysis homework, and this is the second topic, and so on. This is your midterm, which is available in November 24, ends on November 25. That's your final exam. These deadlines are hard deadlines, although you have a week to do the assignment. I made each assignment available 2 weeks before the deadline, so to give you a chance to finish this. So if I were to click on this assignment, you can this is because I have to this is how to set it up. So this is the student view. This is what you see until the first homework assignment is available. You're gonna see the word in progress. So but on October 27, you will see the first line, and you click on it and takes you to your homework assignments. And the second one here for the becomes available November 3rd, and so on. All right, so let's go back to Blackboard. Now we go to discussion board. That's where you introduce yourself. That's where you ask questions, and I want to encourage you to, if you have any questions about the course, the material, to post it here so other students can have chance to see it, respond to it, and also when I respond to it, students can see my response. This is for your own information. I should point out though that I'm also available. If you have a personal question of personal type, you can email me. If you need help with material, we can connect through Skype or Adobe Connect, and so on. These are the group assignments, and you have them all here, so you know what the questions will be and the deadlines for each one of them. And what else we have? The discussion board, the software. This is the software resources where you have all the software resources that you need. So here you have basically getting started with Excel. This is from your textbook, but it's available. I also made it available here. Uh, and you have my grades. You can see your group grades here. Uh, all right, then hope this is helpful and gets you started. And I want to welcome you again and good luck. Thank you.